Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my extreme moisture hair routine. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. Okay, so I still do the LCO method, and it's very similar to the lock method. If you guys have never heard of the LCO method, it's basically when you layer products to make your hair retain moisture. So the L stands for leave-in or liquid, the C stands for cream, and the O stands for oil. So to get started, I just spray my hair with water, and that is the liquid that I choose to use. I don't use a leave-in type of product for this step because my hair builds up very easily. If you don't have the same problem that I do, I would suggest using a leave-in that is water-based. So I like to spray this water all over my hair, and then I will part my hair into sections before I apply the cream. So once I have my hair in sections, I like to detangle my hair with a Denman brush. I like to detangle my hair at night because if I don't, my hair will become extremely matted. For the cream step, I'm going to be using the Tresemme Flawless Curls Hydration. And I want to give a shout out to Takara One for putting me on to this stuff because this stuff is absolutely amazing. It makes my hair feel so good. But yeah, you guys should definitely go check out Takara's channel. I will put it down below in the description box. She also has natural hair. She's a fashion designer, so she makes a lot of DIYs. So you guys should definitely go check her out. So as you can see, I'm just applying the cream to my hair and I'm twisting my hair up. For the C step, you can use whatever you choose as your favorite styling cream or butter. If you have low porosity hair, it is best to use lightweight creams. And if you have high porosity hair, it is best to use thicker creams or butters. So for each section, I do the same thing. I will spritz a little bit of water, then detangle my hair, and then apply a little bit of the conditioner and then twist. I'm going to have a total of 6 twists in my hair when it's all said and done. So 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. You can have more twists if you like. You can even braid your hair if you like. But I always do this instead of just leaving my hair out because it helps my hair to not be tangled. And I also feel as if it helps to keep some of that moisture in. After I'm done twisting my entire head of hair, I will go ahead and do the last step, which is to apply oil. What the oil does is basically seal in that moisture that you just put into your hair. And today I'm going to be using one of my favorite oils, which is olive oil. And I love olive oil because it's super lightweight. I'm done applying the oil, I will go ahead and twist my hair up into a high bun and then put on my satin scarf and go to sleep. So by doing this technique, it really keeps my hair manageable, tangle free, and of course super moisturized. So that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Maryam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time.